Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 10. Our learning goal for today says, I can find patterns when decomposing numbers 6 through 8. Decomposing, what does that mean again? Oh yeah, breaking apart. Okay, so cool. I can find patterns when breaking apart numbers 6 through 8. And friends, this lesson is going to blow your mind because I was doing math this morning because math is my favorite. So, of course, I was working on it and I realized a pattern. Now, a pattern is something that happens like over and over again. All right, so let's look and see this cool pattern I found. All right, so let's see. I had 5 footballs. Now, if I added one more ball, how many balls would I have altogether? 5 and one more. Yes, 6. I could say, to describe that, I could say 5 and 1 is 6, right? Because if I had 5 and I have one more, that equals 6. Watch this, though. What if I only had 4 footballs and I wanted to make 6? How many balls would I need to add to 4 to get to 6? Oh, I can just fill up the spaces. 4, 5, 6. How many balls did I have to add? Yeah, 2. 1, 2. So I could say 4 and 2 is 6. Okay, so let's try it again. This time, how about I'll start with 3. How many balls would I need to add to 3 to get to 6? Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did I need to add? Ding, 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 good. 3. So I could say 3 and 3 is 6. Friends, what are you noticing so far? Yeah, you're right. 6 is the answer every single time. 6, 6, 6. Every time I add something, it's equaling 6. What do you notice about the pictures of the balls? Yeah, as I have less footballs, it looks like I'm getting more baseballs. I wonder if that will continue, if that pattern will keep happening as I take away footballs. What do you think? Yeah, let's see. So I had 3. What if I start with 2? Oh my goodness, how many balls would I do this? Let's say 2 and count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many footballs did I have? 2. And how many baseballs? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 2 and 4 is 6. There was another sentence we said that had the numbers 2, 4, and 6 in it. Do you see it anywhere? There it is. 4 and 2 is 6, and 2 and 4 is 6. Oh, that's kind of a weird pattern. Look at the footballs are getting less and the baseballs are getting more. Let's keep going. What if I only start with 1 football? Oh man, take a guess. How many baseballs do you think I'll need to add to get to 6 balls? What did you say? Did you say 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you were right. 5 balls. What sentence could I say? 1 and, yeah, 5. 1 and 5 is 6. Well, look at there. What a cool pattern. We observed that every answer is 6. And as I took 1 away and added in a new ball, the footballs, the amount I started with got smaller, but the amount that I ended up with the other part got bigger. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? I like it too because it makes like a new fancy design. Let's try another one, but with a bigger number. Okay. All right, look at all my unicorns. How many unicorns do I have there, friend? Yes, I have 6. If I have 6 and I add 1 more, what would my new number be? Perfect. 7. And a little green elephant. All right, so 6 and 1 is 7. That's how I could describe that sentence. 6 and 1 is 7. Now, if I got rid of one of my unicorns, without even counting, can you even guess how many green elephants I'll need to make it the even amount of 7? Yes, I'll need 2 more because I have 5, 6, 7. I only needed 2 elephants. Hey, look it. I had 1, and now I have 2. I wonder what the next row is going to be. Yeah, I think so. I think probably 3. Okay, I described the first row as 6 and 1 equals 7. Now I could say 5 and 2. Yeah, 5 and 2 is 7. All right. So I had 1 elephant, then I had 2 elephants, and I told you we'd probably have 3 elephants down here, right? Okay, let's see. If I start with 4 unicorns, I would need to say 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, was your prediction right? Yeah. If I have 4 and 3, that is 7. What do we notice? What's happening over here, friends? Yes, 7 is in the answer every single time, and same as last time. As the first part gets smaller, the other part gets bigger. Ooh. So if I had 1 there, 2 here, 3 here, what do you think my next number is going to be? I think it's going to be 4 too. Look at, if I start with 3 unicorns, I need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get to 7, and that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elephants. Watch this. 3 and 4 equals 7. Oopsie, I forgot to put my sentence up there. There it is. All right. What if this time I only have 2 unicorns? How many elephants do you think I'll need this time? Well, let's see. I saw 3 and 4, or 4 and 3 is 7. I saw 3 and 4 is 7. So I wonder if 2 and, yeah, maybe 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many green elephants did I have that time? Yeah, 5. Can you tell me a sentence? 2 and 5? Good. 2 and 5 is 7. And then one more. What if I only have 1 unicorn? How many green elephants do you think I'm going to have? Well, I can keep drawing my picture. Or 1 plus how many equals 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could say 1 and 6 is 7. Wow, look at that cool pattern of pictures. Again, look at, as the unicorns got smaller, what happened to the green elephants? Yep, they got bigger to even it all out so that all the answers could be 7. Well, goodness gracious. You know what I'm learning from this? I'm learning that you can equal one amount in different ways. They don't always have to be the same. Like I don't just have 6 and 1 is 7. That's not my only choice for making 7. I have lots of other choices. Sometimes we get it stuck in our head that there's only one way to solve a problem, but that's not true. As we see here, there are so many different ways that we can show 7. And we're just breaking it up into different parts. Hey, that reminds me of my number bond friend. Okay, which is great. Our learning goal for today said, I can find patterns when decomposing numbers 6 through 8. And that's exactly what we did. We noticed that all the answers were the same, even though we were changing the parts. And as one part got smaller, another part got bigger. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this is what you're going to see taught to your teacher. As you'll notice, I did some decomposing with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 7 kitties and 1 puppy. So cute. Then I had 6 kitties and 2 puppies. Both of those equaled 8. Can you do what the next line would be? All right, I'm going to give you a hint. You're going to start with 5 kitties. All right, you need to finish drawing the kitties and the doggies to make 8. I can't wait to see what you come up with it. Good luck, friends.